Good afternoon, you lovely lots. So I have just got a call out. Basically, some new homeowners and they have a problem with their back UPVC door. It won't close, lock rather, saying that they're putting the key in and it just ain't turning. So it could be a line of issues there. And they also, on the second floor, they have bifold sliding doors and there's something wrong with the handle. So yeah, so a couple of jobs to go into in this house. Don't have much details except for that. Got a picture sent over, but it wasn't much. So yeah, I won't know much until I get there. The job is in Elsfield. So yes, I shall keep you updated real soon. Hello. So that was yeah, that weren't too bad. Basically it was a problem with the UPVC door. Unfortunately, over time the door has dropped, so it had some flag hinges on it. So what I'm doing, obviously, adjust the flag hinges, make it suit, and then yeah, realign the door. Thought it may have been a gearbox problem or a cylinder. Checked all the aspects there. Yeah, it was straightforward. It was pretty much a realignment issue, which I rectified, and now the door is locking and closing. And as for the upstairs one, basically, yes, same thing. It was slided bifold doors, and the handle was really loose. Basically, it was uneven, and then took off the handles, had a look, identified what the problem was. It was basically a broke spindle, so straightforward. Yeah, replacement of a spindle, handles working normal, and then yeah, both jobs completed. Customer very happy. Wasn't really a headache, it was pretty straightforward. And then yeah, sorry the sun's in my eyes today, but yeah, all in all, everyone's happy, I'm happy. Yeah, straightforward job. And now I've got another job I've got to go to a bit later, and then I'll keep you updated with that one too. Busy. That's what we want to hear. Hey, have a good day, guys. All the best.